Hello students, welcome to your GK class. We are going to proceed with pages 47, 49 and 58 today. Open your book on the page number 47 first. Page number 47. What am I? मैं कौन हूँ? So, guess the names of mathematical instruments you would find in your geometry box. See the first one. You use me to draw a line. Straight, thin, good and fine. What is it? Scale. 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 Good. Second is second. To draw angles and measure. Keep me safe like a treasure. So tell me, what do we use to draw angles in the mathematics? Yes, it is protractor. The third is for angles and arcs to make with pencil me you will take. This is compass. 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 Fourth, measure a line segment or an angle. Use me, don't get into tangle. This is divider. DIVIDER. This is divider. Fifth, shaped like a triangle, you can see to draw angles and lines, use me. This is set square. Set लिखोगे SET then SQUARE. This is set square. Next page number is 49, that are tricky shapes. Read the following questions carefully and find the answers. First is, the following is a figure with 8 equal sized triangles. Change it into a figure having 4 equal sized triangles by removing 6 lines. Yes, but the answer of this first question is this 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. We have removed 3 lines from one side, 1, 2 and 3, right? And from this side, 1, 2 and 3. We are with these two triangles with same measure. In the same way, these two triangles are of same measure, right? We have removed these lines 1, 2 and 3. From here also 1, 2 and 3, right? See the second question. 6 minus 4 means 2. मतलब 6 में से 4 माइनस करें तो 2 आता है. So try to remove 4 sticks from the 6 boxes to get only 2 boxes. In the second question, we have to remove 4 sticks to get 2 boxes only. So these are the 2 boxes. Which sticks we have removed? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 sticks we have removed and we have got these 2 boxes. In third question, we have to draw the hands of the clock in right angle side. तो राइट एंगल साइड के एंगल्स कैसे ड्रॉ होते हैं? व्हेन देयर इज़ अ 3 o'clock ऑन द क्लॉक एंड व्हेन देयर इज़ अ 9 o'clock ऑन द वॉच. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. And in fourth question, if you count all the triangles, these are total 20 triangles. Answer is 20. Now move to page number 58, Glorious Galleries. Here you can see the pictures of famous personalities, sports personalities, and we have to identify them. First is, he was the winner of gold medals at Olympics in 1928, 1932 and 1936. He is also called as the Wizard of Hockey in India. Who is he? Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand. Second question, I think you already know. He is known as the Flying Sikh. फिल्म भी देखी होगी आपने, है ना? He is the first Indian to win gold medal in the marathon race at Commonwealth Games. Who is he? Yes, Milkha Singh. उनकी फिल्म भी बनी है ना, इनकी बायोपिक बनी है, भाग मिल्खा भाग. आई थिंक यू मस्ट हैव वॉच्ड. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, he is a gold medalist at Commonwealth Games and the winner of national title in badminton for 9 years. Who is he? Prakash Padukone. From Padukone, have you remembered something? Deepika Padukone. He is father of Deepika Padukone. Next, fourth, as the champion of the chess, he is the first Indian to win the FIDE World Cup. Vishwanathan Anand. Fourth answer is Vishwanathan Anand. Fifth, he is famous as international tennis player and has been awarded Padma Bhushan in April 2014. He is Leander Pace. Leander Pace, famous tennis player. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.